Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp marketing automation? Let's dive into creating your Aisensy account in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Aisensy website. You'll find the link in the description below for easy access. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located prominently on the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to the registration form. Enter your email address, create a strong and secure password, and provide your phone number. Make sure you use a valid phone number as you'll need it to verify your account later. Check your phone for a verification code sent by Aisensy. Enter this code on the website to confirm your phone number. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. Great, you've successfully registered. Now, you'll be taken to your Aisensy dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface. Your next step is to complete your profile. Go to the Profile Settings section and add your business name. Upload your logo and select your industry. A complete profile helps Aisensy tailor its features to your specific needs. Congratulations, your Aisensy account is now set up. You're ready to explore its amazing features. From creating chatbots to automating your WhatsApp marketing campaign, start experimenting and engaging with your audience today.